Hi, this is Coach Tony Morgan, and today's boat we're looking at is a Fawn Apollo 50/60. I've taken the main case off. It's a white cover, it's just got hooks on really, and this is the inner combustion cover. The customer says that the part light is not working, so we're going to investigate what it is. Now, this boiler is very old. Look closely at the data plate. It's set to Fawn Apollo, and most things will be probably obsolete on this unit, but there might be a few things what we can do, like the thermocouple, possibly the overheat thermostat, but I think other than that it could be obsolete. You can get the gas valves as well, so they are still available. This is a standard efficiency boiler, balance flue. So to get the combustion cover off the inner one, you've got that screw there in the centre, and you've got two at the top there, and then the whole thing then will pull forward, and then you can get inside and see the burner and the heat exchanger. Now this boiler, as I said, is a proper old banger. You can see the heat exchanger don't look too good. It's got fire cement sealed around it in areas. But I just wanted to tell you about the main things on this boiler. You may or may not see these things because, as I said, it's quite an old one. I'm just going to look at the thermocouple. So this is the thermocouple here. And if you look here, it's got this connection point. They call it an interrupter, because that is then connected to the overheat thermostat here. So inside there is like a little bimetallic strip basically, which makes a connection. You can test it through continuity through your multimeter, or if the part light stays on, you know it's working. But basically, the thermocouple, once the part light's lit, it creates a voltage, goes up the thermocouple, that voltage goes up that lead, like that, goes through the overheat thermostat, then the voltage goes back down the other side of the lead, then again continues into the back of the gas valve, or to the gas valve, which is there, and then that then goes on a thermoelectric valve. When you press that button in, the green button, that pushes again to thermoelectric valve. After 30 seconds it keeps that thermoelectric valve open and allows the gas to light the pilot, and that circle then creates the part light staying on so that it can light the main burner. Now if that goes open circuit, then that will cut the circuit, cut that voltage, close the thermoelectric valve, shut off the gas to the pilot light, and that's what you call the flame failure device. As I said, you don't see that often on boilers, but it's something just to know and to understand on these type of boilers. Now, I have seen in the past where people have basically bypassed this, linked that together, making the boiler dangerous because it's got no protection. So if it was to overheat, there's nothing to shut the pilot light off. So if you ever see that situation, it's very dangerous. It is dangerous, and that guy should be reported if you do see that. So something to watch out for. On this Fawn Apollo, you've got this device, which is at the back here. They call it a pump overrun thermostat. It's also got two control thermostats. They're the switches for it. They're situated, they're under here. So you've got basically two thermostats, one for the high one, one for the low one. and they're wired back through into here. Then that's it really on this boiler. It's pretty basic, just a natural draft burner, and then just goes up through the heat exchanger and out the flue, and that's it. So it's a balanced flue boiler. So this can be the end of this video on this boiler. So if you've got any comments or questions, I'd like to hear from you. So that's it from me, and I'll see you on the next video.